Hello students, today we are going to study chapter number 24, Prejudice, Discrimination and Inequality. In this class we are going to complete the topics that are the caste discrimination, okay, what is discrimination, how it is related with the inequality, okay. Now, first of all, what is discrimination? In our earlier class, we have already studied about discrimination. किसी भी पर्सन को या फिर ग्रुप ऑफ पर्सन को अगर हम लोग अनफेयरली या लेस फेयरली ट्रीट कर रहे हैं और उसको अलग कर रहे हैं फ्रॉम द ग्रुप ऑफ पर्संस, ओके, दैट इज नॉन एज डिस्क्रिमिनेटिंग दैट पर्सन। और ये जो प्रोसेस होता है इसको हम बोलते हैं डिस्क्रिमिनेशन, ओके। नाउ दिस डिस्क्रिमिनेशन इज रिलेटेड विद दिस stereotypes, prejudice and racism. तो कैसे रिलेटेड है? How these all things cause discrimination, okay? What often leads to discrimination? Number one, stereotypes. स्टूडेंट्स हम लोगों ने ऑलरेडी स्टडी कर लिया था दैट स्टेरियोटाइप्स जो होता है एक फिक्स्ड आइडिया होता है इन द माइंड्स ऑफ पीपल, ओके। पीपल के माइंड में एक फिक्स्ड आइडिया होता है अबाउट द पर्सन और ग्रुप ऑफ पर्सन। तो उस फिक्स्ड आइडिया के बेसिस पे, उनके थॉट्स के बेसिस पे वो क्या करते हैं, जो है डिस्क्रिमिनेशन को अराइज करते हैं, ओके। देन नेक्स्ट है आपका प्रेजुडाइज। इट इज अ नेगेटिव एटीट्यूड टुवर्ड अ ग्रुप ऑफ पीपल। किसी भी ग्रुप ऑफ पीपल, एदर लोअर कास्ट पीपल, ओके, तो उनके अगेंस्ट जो है एक नेगेटिव एटीट्यूड होता है पीपल्स का, सो दैट इज प्रेजुडाइज। Next, racism, the belief that members of one race or ethnic group are superior to the member of other races or ethnic group. So students, we are just discriminating this races, okay? कुछ upper caste है, कुछ lower caste है, but हम लोग क्या कर रहे हैं, discriminate कर रहे हैं। तो this is on the basis of their race and religion, okay? इस basis पे अगर हम लोग discriminate कर रहे हैं, लोगों को अलग अलग कर रहे हैं, that is also causing this discrimination, okay? So this all stereotypes, prejudice and racism, this all leads to discrimination. Next, multiple identities. So students, our next topic is about the identity. We all are thinking that we are having one identity, but it is not true. We all have different identities, okay? So that is known as multiple identities. More than one identity is known as multiple identities, okay? So students, this prejudice and stereotypes have an impact on human relationship, okay? Human के relationship के ऊपर जो है prejudice और जो stereotypes का impact होता है, उस वजह से जो है people started thinking that they possess only that one identity, okay? But it's not true. There are different identities based on the thoughts of people, okay? So students, our next topic is about the caste discrimination in India. So students, this discrimination is taking place into different types. We can say we discriminate people on the basis of caste, color, religion, okay. But in India, एक rigid जो discrimination है, that is your caste based on this caste system, okay. Now we will study about this caste system, into how many caste this Indian caste system is divided, okay. So let's start. You can see Indian caste system, okay. There are different caste in India. The lower caste is known as Dalits, और जो lower caste की जो people है, these are treated as untouchables, okay. इनको जो है सारी आप देखो जो भी बेनिफिट्स होते हैं या कुछ भी, इनको आप देखो प्रायोरिटी नहीं दी जाती कहीं पे भी। दीज आर ट्रीटेड एज अनटचेबल्स, ओके। इनको आप देखो टेम्पल्स में अलाउ नहीं करते हैं। वी डोंट इंटरेक्ट विद दिस पीपल ऑफ लोअर कास्ट, ओके। देन यू कैन सी द this all Shudra, Vaishyas, Kshatriyas, Brahmins, this all comes in the upper caste, okay. So this is the discrimination between upper caste and the lower caste in India. And this caste discrimination is taking place in India from the very early times, okay, and now also it is prevailing in India, okay. So this is how this caste system is discriminating the people from one person to another person, or from one religion to another religion, okay. So students, now we will talk about Dr. B.R. Ambedkar. आप सब लोगों ने नेम सुना होगा डॉक्टर बी आर अम्बेडकर का. नाउ वी विल टॉक अबाउट हिम. He is also known as Baba Saheb. Okay, उनको बाबा साहेब के नेम से भी हम लोग बुलाते थे. He belongs to a poor family and as well as he is belonging to a scheduled caste, that means the lower caste. Okay, now Dr. B.R. Ambedkar fought for the right of equality to this lower caste people, as he faced all the challenges, all these things which are happening to him as he belonged to this lower caste. Okay, now he is attending the schools also, but जब भी वो स्कूल अटेंड करने जाते थे उनको क्या कर दिया जाता था, सेपरेटली उनको बैठा दिया जाता था फ्रॉम द अपर कास्ट स्टूडेंट्स. सो आफ्टर दिस ही थॉट टू फाइट फॉर द राइट ऑफ दिस लोअर कास्ट पीपल. ओके, so he fought for the right of these untouchables. Okay, and after the independence he has taken these various movements. Okay, regarding the rights of these people. After the independence in 1947, Dr. B.R. Ambedkar became the chairman of the drafting committee of India. Okay, drafting committee of the Constitution of India, and this committee is having all the rights to form the Constitution of India. Okay, so students, that's all for your class. Thank you for your attention. Have a nice day.